Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can download and play Fortnite on your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open a few platforms in which we can search for the Fortnite. And as most of you probably know, it's not available on Google Play Store, but we're gonna try finding it here. Fortnite. No results found. So now let's try Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Game Store website. Let's open it. From here we can actually see Fortnite. Let's click Get. And sadly this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on your Doogee S86 Pro. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.